So today I will be covering the windowing functions in a SQL server. What is a windowing functions means? It is nothing but if you want to give some rank in MSET, most of people you might be knowing, right? In the MSET, how they are going to give ranks. Even the people, if they are getting same, like out of 140 marks, if they get like, there will be many people who is getting the same marks, but their rank varies, right? How the rank is going to vary? First, they will see the total marks. If the marks are equal, then they will compare some maths marks. If that one is also equal, then they will compare the physics marks. If that one also equal, then they compare other marks. If that is also equal, then they will compare their age. Okay, that is also equal, then they compare the previous years or something like that. They will compare based on that. They will give ranks. Okay, so now in the same way, in the SQL server, we are having some windowing functions. Like there are 4 types of windowing functions. You will call it as row number, and once you see the example, you will be clear with them. Next is a rank. Next is a dense rank. Next, you will call it as the entile. Okay. So first we will go one by one. I will open a table. I think yesterday in master database or something I created a table. Create trigger, not this one. Yeah, I'll connect to another database where you can find data. I think this server will have data. Yeah. So now what I have 3 companies. Okay, I have 3 companies. I have company 1, company 2, company. This is a table where it has a company ID, it has a quarter, it has a amount. So let's say every company has 2 quarters. So company ID 1, 2 quarters, company ID 2, 2 quarters, company ID 3, 2 quarters. Now I got 10, 12, 20, 10, 20, 20. This is my amount that I am having. Okay. Now if I want to give order to that amount, like in the first 20 will should have the highest number should have first 1, next second number should have 2, third number should have 3, and since I got 3 20s, so out of 3 one will have 2, one will have the first rank, other will have the second, other will have the 3. I want to rank them this amount. Okay, so how can I rank? I can rank based on the amount. So what I will do, row number, there is a concept called row number, bracket open close, then you will give over. It is a standard. After over, give a bracket. Here you are going to do, so you want to give a row number, for which you want to give a row number over which one, the amount. Okay, so basically you will give order by amount. Now when I give order by amount, this one I will name it as RN, row number. Okay, now when I execute, now you can see based on the amount a rank was given, a number was assigned. Since I have given order by amount, by default, since I have not given anything, it will take as ascending, ASC. That's why the rank has been given in the ascending. If I give, instead of ascending, if I give something like descending, DESC, then it will show from the highest number. See, automatically it will give the number. Okay, that is the one thing. Next, I can also give rank. Rank means the first 20s, 20, 20, 20 will have all 1 rank. Next 12, 10, 10 will have rank 4, 4, 4. You can see now there is a concept called dense rank. We will see the dense rank first. Okay, see, when I click I will get the dense rank. Sorry, dense rank. The same way how you do the rank, the same way you do the dense rank also, over order by. Okay, order by descending as dense rank. Now if I execute, see how I am getting, whichever the amount is same, I am getting all as 111. Next, from the next amount I am getting 2, and next after the 10 I got 333. Instead of giving the same order based on the amount, so first the highest amount, all the highest amount, it is having 111 because they all are same. Second highest is 12, so it got 2. Third highest I am having in 2 records, so I got 33. Okay. Now there is a one more we call rank. Same as dense rank only. I will just write over. It is a standard. You need to write. Now this is rank, right? I will give R. Now what happens in the rank? Okay. So in the dense rank, after having 111, it started with 2, and next rank it started with 3. But what rank does? It gives 111, but instead of starting with 2, it will start with 4. Okay, because already 1 instead of 2, so second number should be 2, right? But it gives a 1. Like it is entirely opposite to dense rank. See, after 1 it should start with 2, right? But it will not start because already 2 and this 3 got the same rank. But even though it got the same rank, it will internally it will instead of getting 1, so this is the way how the rank works. Okay, rank is nothing but combination of row number and dense rank. That's it. You assume that it is a combination of row number and dense rank. So what is going to happen? It is going to get all the records 111, but next record instead of getting 2, it will get the record from the rank 1, row number 1. That's it. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So even though it is showing 111 at the back end, the second record it will take as 2, third record it will take as 3. So 2 3 has been utilized, so it will start from 4. Okay, are you able to get my point?
Yeah.
So next you will be having one more called entile. If I want to group the records, okay, if I want to divide if I want to divide the records in 3 groups or 2 groups, however I want, then I will be using a concept called entile. Okay, I can partition the records. Now entile. So I want to divide this total 6 records into 3 groups. Then each group will have 3 records, right? Oh, sorry. If I give it in 3, then each group will be divided into 2 records. Now you can see. I'll give it as n. When I execute, every record will have 1 2 to CC 1 1 2 2 3 3, because based on the entire since I said 6, right? Sorry, I have said it. I want the 6 records to be divided into 3 groups. So what happens? 6 by 3. So you got 2. So every 2 records will be divided into one group. Okay. Now let's see if I divide it into 4. If I divide it into 4, then what happens? I got total 6 records. Okay, but I want to divide it into 4 groups. Then what is going to happen? One record will be sent to each one group. So there are 4 groups, right? 1 2 3 4. So one record will be given to each one group. Then next there are 2 records left. So 2 records will be given to the first group and second group. That's it. So now 2 records will like 2 groups will have 2 records, and other 2 groups will have 1 record. So total it will be divided into 4 groups. First group will have 2 records, second group will have 2 records, third group will have 1 record, fourth group will have 1 record. See, okay, it is nothing but dividing. In this, out of this all, most to most you will be using this row number function. That is the important one that you need to use. Okay, you can play around with the row number. See, the same thing I will copy. Now I want to output this way, and this is the way I want. I will show you. I'll just comment them. I'm going to delete this all. Only I'll be taking a row number. I'll execute this query. Now I got the amount, right? Okay. Now I want. So this is a way. I think when I write and show, it will be easy for you to get it. You can play around with the row number. Row number is most effective tool. So let's say I got the company ID, year, and amount. Okay. So company ID is 101, 101, 102, 102, 10. Let's say 101, 101, 102, 102. Year is 2010, 2011, 2010, 2011. Okay. So now company ID to 101 for 2010 as 20, 30, 15, 18. This is the amount it has. Now along with this, I want to add total company amount. Okay. Total company amount means I want the total amount for each individual company. So I should get 50, 50. Here 32, 32. Okay. Sorry. 33 I think. Yeah. 32, 33. Sorry. 33, 33. Okay. This is the thing I want. And then total amount for all companies. Total amount for all companies. Okay. Then total amount for all companies means it is nothing but the 83, right? So I should give 83, 83, 83, 83. This is the output I need. So if you want total company for total amount for two companies, how you are going to do? If you want the total amount at the company level, what you are going to do? You will write select CID comma sum amount. After that you will write from table name, then group by CID. Okay, CID. Then you will get the total amount for each at the company level. If you want to get total amount for all the companies, then you will write just select sum amount. You write select sum amount from table name. That's it. When you do this, you will get total amount for the that's it. You will get this one, and that one I want to repeat in each and every column. This one also I want to repeat in each and every column. So you can do easily by using the row count. Okay. Now see it here. So yeah, I'll go here. Now see, use the same row number. Before the row number, what you do? Sum. Okay. You can ignore the row number. Mostly you can ignore the row number. I want the sum amount. Done. Now I want to group on. See, I want the amount in two ways. Yeah, the column is strong. Same as it, I want the amount at the company level, each company level, and the other one is that I want the total amount at total amount for all the companies. Since I want to group by company ID, right? So I will write the same one, but I'll add one more thing before order by. I'll add one more thing called partition by CID. It's nothing. It's a kind of group by. That's it. When I do this, I'll give it as sorry. I'll give here as company CID total. Okay. Now when I execute it, the company ID 1, what is the total for company ID 1? It is 22. Company ID 2 is 30. Company ID 3 is 40, right? See now, you will get the same amount here. See, 12. Oh, give me a minute. Oh, partition. Oh, sorry. Order by amount description. Oh, order by. Yeah. Okay. Now you got the total. See, company ID 1, you got it as 22, 22, right? Total is 22, 20. 10 plus 12 is 22, 22. Next, company ID 2, 20 plus 10 is 30. So 30, 30. Company ID 3, it is 20, 20. So you got 40, 40. Okay. Now the same thing, if I want the total for all the companies, Control C, okay, Control V. Now since I don't want, I'll not be having any group by, right? Just I can give this way, that's it. Over and done. Now when I execute, you got the total amount. 30 plus 40 is 70, 70 plus 22 is 92, right? So you can go this way, 10, 12, 20, 30, 30, 42, 52, 60, 70, 80, 92, right? So you got a 92 here. Are you able to get my point? Hello?
Yeah.
It is effective. See, instead of doing group by and doing, I can directly use by using this one over group by. Since I want some amount, I can do the sum amount. If you want to do the average, you can also do average. You can use whatever. See, without using group by, I am using my aggregate functions here. Okay, this is the other way to do, but you can only do when you are good with these functions. You need to play around with them. What is use of this row number, dense rank, rank, and entile. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm stopping the